Hello and welcome back to my channel. And in the previous part of this video I've shared what and how I pack a backpack for a 6-day trip, and in that video I also said that, and with this backpack I'm planning to have this small crossbody bag too, but actually I didn't show what I actually carry, how I pack this crossbody in detail. So here in this video, here goes that part. So these are all the things that will go into my purse, this crossbody bag, and I'm opening it up. It's completely empty now. See, it's just empty, and I'll fill it up with all these things in front of me. And I'm starting with this pouch. It came with Dove shampoo actually, free. And I really use it for my hair styling things like my comb and my hair stick, some bobby pins, etc. And now this red pouch is my handbag essentials pouch. I have a video only on this pouch. You may check it out from the description box. I will give that link, and also from the info cards. And things are more or less the same, but there are some more things like masks, So this thing, my compact umbrella, I always keep an umbrella with me. Now these are my sunglasses, and it's not only for fashion but also for eye care. It's a must for a very bright sunny day, and I always keep it. Now my wallet, and I don't think I'll use it this time that much, but still I need it. Okay, so now a small thing but a very important thing for me, my earphone. So I keep it here. Now my keys, and I don't need them, I won't need them, so I'm just throwing them at the bottom. Now this thing, the selfie stick, generally this type of things goes to tech pouch, but I take it here because this bag is my grab and go bag for sightseeing and any other activities in my whole trip. So I kept that selfie stick here, so whenever I need it I can just use it. It should be handy, so I keep it here. So now this one, my favorite thing, one of my favorites of course. So this is my folded plastic fan. It's in pink color because pink is my favorite color. So yeah, I like it so much. It's very easy to clean it. I also wash it with water. It's just great. So I keep it always with me. Here goes my fan. And now the last thing, a packet of pocket tissue, and I always need it because I use a lot of tissues all the day. So yeah, so my bag is fully packed now. It's a small bag, but it holds a lot. You see, everything is here and they're just fine. So I like that. That's why I like this bag so much, and I took it in many of my trips. So now the last thing, my phone. As I'm shooting it right now, I'm showing it with the phone case, and I keep it in this back pocket. So yeah, here goes it. It just fits in it perfectly. So yeah, this is it, and my backpack I've already showed. So yeah, that's all about it. And as always, help yourself, help others, stay elegant, take care.